you had the hiccups again? Yeah. The hiccups.
We need to teach her how to walk. She's taking a valuable part to speak. Aren't you, honey?
Purple thing?
Hiccup. Yeah.